Hi everyone, and congratulations on deciding to buy a house. It's a super exciting time, but also involves some paperwork. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it as a financial treasure hunt to unlock your dream home. And stay around till the end, as I'm going to show you how to save yourself a ton of time and frustration at the end of this video. Now, just like with any big adventure, your lender will need some things to make sure you're ready to take on a home loan. They're like financial detectives, making sure everything adds up. So the underwriter will approve the home loan. Trust me on this. They're on your team. It may at first seem like they are asking for quite a bit, but believe me, we will get through it together, and you will be very pleased with the ease and speed in which you get your pre-qualification or pre-approval letter. And with that, it will be time to go house shopping. Here's what you'll typically need. Pay stubs for the last 90 days. The lender needs proof you are actually making $1 or $2. Digital versions work too. Job proof. Did you just land that dream position? The lender might ask for a letter from your place of employment to prove it. Work history. List your past 2 employers for verification. Tax returns. Last 2 years. A very important thing here. You will need these as it's the foundation to which your loan is built on. Lenders need to ensure that you had an income the last 2 years. The IRS can help if you don't have a copy of your tax returns by providing you a transcript. For those of you that did not file a tax return, it's probably a good idea that you get your back taxes done before moving on. The lender will ask for it, and you will need it. Do not go out looking for homes without first taking care of this very important step. Bank statements. 3 months. Show off your budgeting skills. Here is a pro tip. It's important that if you can help it, do not have any bounced checks showing on the statements you give the lender. But if you do, prepare to explain why. Self-employed? Provide tax returns and proof of income. They may also ask for a profit and loss statement. Debt statements. Gather information on your existing debts, student loans, credit cards. Keep in mind, one of the very first things a lender will do is pull your credit report, so they will double-check your debts there. If there are lates or collections, they will question you about them, but those are not necessarily deal killers. Nobody's perfect. Not me, not you, and certainly not the lender. Many things can or will be explained away via an explanation letter. So, if your credit report shows bumps in the road, stay the course. You will get there. Rental history, past 2 years. List your addresses and landlord info, if applicable. Extra income. Share details of any side hustles, child support, or alimony. Investment statements. Show off your financial treasure chest. Stocks, bonds, savings. If you have a provable income, this is the time to show it. If you can prove the income, it will help you qualify for more house. Down payment and closing cost. Proof. Show the source of the money you are putting down on your dream home. Depending on the home loan type, conventional, FHA, or VA, you may even be able to obtain it from a family member, so long as they can document that they gave it to you. And for all of you veterans out there, dust off that DD-214 so you can avoid the down payment altogether. As promised, if you subscribe to the notion that time is money, here's the bonus tip I mentioned earlier. This is going to save you a heck of a lot of time. If you want to save yourself a lot of time and frustration, keep copies of every document we've talked about in a digital vault. You know, cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, or even iCloud. Don't have any of those? A thumb drive, or even your trusty filing cabinet will also work. You choose. Why, you may ask? Well, lenders love documentation, and having it handy makes things smoother than a freshly paved road. Lenders need clear copies of everything, and if you have it in the cloud and clearly marked, you don't have to leave work to get it when they ask for it, significantly speeding up the processing time of your loan. Lenders love organized buyers. When lenders ask for documentation, they need those documents immediately for many reasons we won't go into here. Remember, this part is easily 1/3 of the home buying process. The more organized you are, the easier and faster you will get approved for that home loan. Remember, at American Paradise Properties, we're your mortgage cheerleaders, ready to help you conquer this step with ease. So grab your documents, put on your victory dance shoes, and get ready to celebrate in your new home. It's closer than you think. Be sure to check out AmericanParadiseProperties.com for more useful tips. That's www.AmericanParadiseProperties.com. That's www.AmericanParadiseProperties.com. Let's get started.